In today's video, I will be demonstrating the use of ListBox. ListBox control in VB.NET is used to display a list of items from which a user can select one or more items. So for this, we will design a form to add items using TextBox and to remove selected item from the list box. So let's get started. So for this, we will select a new project, Windows Form application. We'll select some controls from toolbox, text box, list box, and a label. Now arrange the tools, button. Now change the text property of the controls. Now change the text property of button. Text property of button 2. This is the list box. This is the text box. Now, by using this add item button, we will add the items which the user will enter in this text box into the list box. And with the help of this remove item, we will select the items from the list box and then it will be removed with the help of removed item button. So, we will write code for the first button, that is add item. So double click on this. So this is the code for button 1, listbox.items.add. Listbox1.items.add will add the items which we will enter in the text box. That's why we have written textbox1.text. Initially it is empty, blank. Textbox1.focus. The use of textbox1.focus method in VB.NET is used to set the input focus to this textbox1, which means that the textbox1 control will be ready to receive the input which the user is entering during runtime. Okay, so this is the code for button 1, that is add items. Now we will write code for the second button, that is remove button. So double click on this remove button. So listbox1.items.remove. I want to remove the item from the list box. Which item? The selected item from the list box. Okay, so if we want to add the items in list box, we will use listbox1.items.add. If we want to remove some items from the list box, we will use listbox1.items.remove. Now we will see how it will execute. We will see the output. Click on the start button. So this is your form. We will enter some items add button. Add button will add this C++ item into list box. Now if you want to add second item, the fourth item, the next one. So with the help of this add button, we have added this 5 items in the list box. Now, if we want to remove some selected item, so what we need to do is we have to first select that particular item from the list box. Suppose I want to remove PHP. I will select it and then click on remove item. That particular item will get deleted from the list box. Again, suppose I want to remove this third item, I will first select that particular item and then I will remove it. This is how we can add the items into the list box, and we can remove the item from the list box using remove button like this. Thank you.